Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It can be described as a medium brown shade with hints of golden beige. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as granola, granola, gru, no, la, granola. In interior design and fashion, granola is celebrated for its ability to add a cozy and organic touch to any space or outfit. It is a popular choice for creating warm, inviting atmospheres in rooms and for adding a natural, down-to-earth element to clothing and accessories. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about granola, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.